What up, good people? Huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz of Hampton for allowing me to review the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE300. Today we're introducing the 2025 Mercedes CLE300, a true embodiment of modern luxury and precision. Wrapped in a striking starling blue metallic, this masterpiece stretches an impressive 191 inches in length, standing at a sleek 56 inches tall, riding on a balanced 112-inch wheelbase with a ground-hugging clearance of just 5 inches. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Under the hood lies an advanced inline-four turbocharged engine paired with a mild hybrid drive system, delivering 255 horses for the torque 295 at 3,000 RPM. This powerhouse prepared the CLE300 from 0 to 60 in a swift 6.2 seconds, reaching a top speed of 130 miles per hour with a fuel efficiency of 33 mpg on the highway and 24 mpg in the city. Here's the sound of it. The CLE is a premium coupe that combines classic design elements with modern aerodynamics. It's low, wide stand, and flowing silhouette that optimize airflow. This has an MSRP of $73,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with beige leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your battery and charge. In the middle you have your miles. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your eco display, radio, map, configure your display, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your menu button with your gap assist alongside your cruise control settings. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your seat adjustment with your heated and cooled seats alongside your memory seat settings. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking brake. You have your engine start button with your auto start feature. Right here we're looking at an 11.9-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running in the latest Mercedes Me Connect. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your camera view alongside your tilt screen. Also you have your dual climate control. You have your cup holder area with your USB outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. Now we're making our way inside the center console. You have 2 more USB outlets. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect alongside your Me Connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with beige leather seats. You have your air vent. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 11.2 cubic feet. Wow, that is only enough for a weekend getaway with some golf clubs. Once again, huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz of Hampton for allowing me to review the Mercedes-Benz CLE300. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I'll look forward to seeing you next video.